Welcome back. Today is day 1 of our trip. So let's take the Lambo out and start our trip. Let's do the cold start. Too much excited for the trip. Little bit revving the engine. Sounds very nice and full. See the backfires. Let's go. Today, we don't need to cover a lot. Our first day destination is very near from us. Just admiring the beauty once again. Everything is good now, let's start the trip. As I said today, we don't need to cover a lot of camp. So we will go slow while enjoying the roads. And for today, I have decided to not use the expressway because we do not have to cover a lot. So it does not make sense to use the highway. This trip more or less like exploring the map end to end. And exploring the road where we never went before. Now till the end, this Lambo dot is the only reason for our trip. So, we have to keep it in the proper way. If any problem comes, it will hamper our road trip. I have never visited this site. This is the first time of my journey. Again, we enter the city. I think that place is outside the city. That's why there are not any stores or buildings. I like the burbles of the parking. We almost reached our first destination. Today is not a tiring. You become tired when you have to drive a lot, or drive in bad roads. But today is fine. Let's park it inside. Okay, so day 1 went well. Let's prepare for the day 2. Like, share, comment, subscribe.